everyone. We are at Sawtooth Canyon Campground. That's what it is. It's just south of Barstow. It's a BLM campground, and it's free.
Yeah, and there's
Shelters.
There's some camp. You can park a lot of places where there's just some fire pits, but there's quite a few of these with the actual fire pit.
Yeah.
There's a couple, three vault toilets.
Yeah. It's an established campground, but it's free. I actually think they're in the process of making it a pay campground.
I agree completely.
Because they've got a pay box that's just being installed. I can tell it just went in the ground, but there's nothing there. So
there's a lot of people climbing. We just kind of looked around a little bit, but there's structures like this,
yeah,
a lot bigger. And I mean, there's just climbers everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, we're in this one end of the campground, and there's
nobody here.
Nobody here.
Ah, that's relaxing. I'm gonna try and make beans and rice again. I'm gonna give the beans another go in the Instant Pot.
Remember, subscribers said garlic and salsa, right?
Yes, I've got both those things.
There you go. See, we're listening. We're learning.
We are. All right, I'm gonna try that. Instant Pot beans, take 2. I've got pinto beans this time and lots of fresh garlic. That's what I did not have last time. Plus I put in some bouillon, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, salsa. I put in some green chili salsa in here. Yeah, we're gonna give it another go. The beans are done. Look, we're all gathered around, waiting for the bean exposure. Oh, yes. Maybe too much liquid. Are we steaming up over there?
Making some bean soup?
I don't know. It smells amazing. Whoa, we are steaming up, I think. Let me see if it needs... I think they're done. I don't know.
That's pretty hard.
Yeah. Still too hard?
Flavor's great.
Is it?
But they're not done yet.
Okay. Oh yeah, not done. Okay.
Chewy.
Okay, I'm gonna put them back in there.
We don't like our beans al dente, do we?
We do not. I'm gonna go like another 20 minutes. I already did 45 minutes. I'd say at least another 20. Well, you know why? I'm gonna go 32 minutes. Randomly. We're at altitude, and it's set to increase the cook time for altitude. I don't know what our altitude is, but there is altitude. So, we'll give it another go.
I'll adjourn to the hammock.
Okay, that's a good spot for you. So it's a pretty slick setup for free. Nice. Dang. That is some good beans right there. Okay, I'm going to pull these out and make some rice real quick.
And that was just from a bag of dried beans.
Dried beans. So I did 45 minutes and then another 32 minutes. And then natural release, not forced. Depressurized. Yeah. Oh man, now I'm hungry. So I've decided to be a little crazy. I'm just going to add the rice right now and then cook it for 6 minutes. I'm going to add a cup of rice and a cup of water, so it still is pretty liquidy. And then pressure cook it for 6 minutes, natural release. Go for that. I'm all about the one pot situation, so we'll see if I can make this work. Okay, here we go. Basmati rice for I did 7 minutes and then natural release, just because I wasn't sure with the altitude how long I needed to cook. Well, that looks legit beans and rice, you guys.
That looks pretty good.
Oh, and it's not stuck to the bottom. I don't know. I hope the rice didn't get overcooked. The beans are definitely cooked longer, which I don't mind in something like this. It's like a casserole or something. I could fluff it with a fork, actually. It'd be better.
Fluff it.
This has some good flavor. Now, we have some avocado I'm going to cut up and put on there. Maybe some onion. Oh, I have some green onion I'll slice and put on there.
Tortillas.
Oh, I have tortillas. We're going to make...
We have not been to a store in like a week.
Yeah.
We're like eating everything in the cupboards in the fridge.
Beans and rice, you know how cheap this meal is?
Especially
Dry.
bulk dried.
Yeah. Okay, let's let that cool and then we'll have a nice dinner.
Get the fork and fluff it.
Yeah. Headed up the mountain over there. Somewhere over there. There's a trail. We're gonna go up it.
We're gonna climb up on top over here and see why they call it Sawtooth Canyon.
Yeah. Now in Idaho they have Sawtooth Mountain Range.
Is it the Sawtooth Wilderness area there?
I think so.
A lot of climbing opportunities. Yesterday, on the weekends, it was just real busy and people were climbing all over these different rocks. But,
Yeah.
I mean,
It was cool to watch.
it's so amazing that we're here and
Alone.
nobody's here.
Did we lock the van? I don't know. Gotta go check. Was it locked?
Yes.
Oh no, I'm sorry. Oh shoot. Here we go. And it's all up from here. We're almost there. I guess we're not to the top yet. We're going up higher. I'm coming. Whoa.
I'll take it. Okay, Kat. I guess this could be why they call it Sawtooth Canyon. It's teeth on a saw all the way down this ridgeline.
go. Made it back down that mountain. Did not film because I wanted both hands, just in case I needed them. I didn't need them, but just in case. We're packing up. We're going to head into Barstow today. We need to get some supplies. Food.
Beer.
Toilet paper.
Beer.
That's the first thing he thinks of. I'm more concerned about toilet paper. Oh, pencil girl. No better? Okay. Yeah, so we're going to do that. I don't know where we're going to be tonight. There's another campground north of Barstow, just a few miles, 7 miles or so, I think.
Sounds like 5 miles of washboard roads.
Yeah.
That kind of place.
Yeah. Maybe we'll check that out.
No risk, no reward.
Maybe we'll head back down here. I don't know.
This is a cool spot.
Oh, it's so cool. Well, we got everything up, but this girl,
I'm staying.
She does not want to leave. You love this sunshine, don't you, baby? You do. I'm with you, girl.
Got that bag.
That is a cart full. Do we have room? We'll find out. Okay, from the looks of the bed, you can tell we did not get everything put away where it goes, but we're gonna wait till we get where we're going because we don't really know. We're gonna try this. Is it Owl? What's it called? Something Owl, something campground. We'll tell you when we get there. It's north of Barstow.
Owl something campground.
Yeah. That's the real name.
Sounds like 5 miles of washboard, so we'll see.
Yeah, so we got our groceries, all our supplies, uploaded video,
Top the gas tank, top the propane tank, dump the black and gray tank.
got water.
Only filled water.
We are done.
Bought some beer.
I'm exhausted. I can't fathom having like a full-time job plus doing chores all day, like after work, before work. I don't know how we did it.
Well, you worked like 7, 10-hour days sometimes.
I did.
For years.
I would get up super early, go to the store, do all the grocery shopping in the morning before I went to work. Yeah, nothing about that sounds appealing. But you gotta do what you gotta do when you gotta do it. It was fine at the time. And here we are. I'm ready to go relax.
All right, navigator.
Let's bug. We gotta get on the freeway for about 5 miles, I think.
Do we?
North? Okay. Wish us luck. Yeah, north.
Okay.
There we go. This is Fossil Bed Road, and the sign said Owl Canyon Campground, didn't it?
I think so.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with that.
I was looking at the washboards.
3
Not
miles.
bad.
No, it's not. Not
So
too
3
bad.
miles of this.
Yeah, not bad. We can hang. Rainbow Basin Natural Area. I can see why it's called that as we get closer to the mountains.
My teeth are loose.
Oh, yeah. It's been a lot of jumping around. Oh, whoa, it's green over there. Really green. Funky, monkey.
Funky fee area.
Yeah, so I think this is $6 a night.
Drinking water temporarily shut down.
Yeah, that's
No OHV.
Group
and equestrian that way.
Okay, well, we won't go that way. Well, this is a trip. This is gonna be cool.
So,
Yeah, I think so. Home sweet home. Beautiful. Good morning. Oh.
Goodbye.
Bye, Pistol Girl. She's ready to go on a hike, which is exactly what we're gonna do here in a minute. Just wanted to.
Your coffee always tastes better than mine.
How would you know? Because he always drinks my coffee.
I ran out.
Oh, it was a good night. It was quiet. So quiet here last night.
Yeah, it's like you could just literally hear a pin drop. There's like zero sound, so far away from anybody. It's weird. Except now you can hear him.
Cue the bone chewing. She's a nut. Yeah, so we're going to hike this Owl Canyon hiking trail, and then just outside the campground, there's a Calico Basin. No, I'm just making words up now. Where did that come from? What's that one-way loop called?
The Rainbow, is it Rainbow Basin? Yeah, Rainbow Basin.
Rainbow Basin, Rainbow Calico, same. I've heard it both ways.
We'll just rename the damn thing.
Yeah, don't ever take my word for whatever name I'm trying to tell you.
You see how well we prepare for these video chats? We're just like, where are we? What are we doing?
Yeah, so that's just outside the campground. It's a one-way loop. I don't even know how long it is, but it goes through like all this colorful.
It's over there because I ran this morning, and I went out of the campground and I wound up going out just partway. It's a one-way loop. I only went a couple miles up that road. It's definitely unique. Hi, Pistol. So it says no motorhomes or trailers because it's a real narrow, winding road. A little salty sweat from the run, huh?
Yeah. Oh, I'm feeling kind of lazy, but we're gonna do this hike. I think it's like a 3 mile, 3.5 mile out and back thing. Yeah. I'm gonna make some bread later. Might get the Instapot out. I don't know. You guys are just gonna have to check back next video.
Are we leaving them off right here?
I think so.
Carry on.
Carry on. See you next time. Is that a good close, or?
I don't know.
I'm definitely closing with that.
Oh, you still filming?
Yes. Carry on. You're not.